Do you know what a Japanese mechanic checks first on a high-mileage car? It's not the engine, it's the battery. Because batteries don't fail overnight. They wear down slowly through repeated starts, short trips, and constant electrical drain. That's why they compared 9 popular brand name batteries to see which ones actually last, and which ones don't live up to their marketing budget. Here's what they found. Battery number 9, Everstart Value. Let's start at the very bottom of the shelf. For millions of drivers, this is the battery they reach for without a second thought. Everstart Value is the single most purchased car battery in America. It sits at eye level in every Walmart across the country. And the very low price makes it an easy impulse buy when your car won't start on a cold Monday morning. For the first few months, it usually does the job. The engine cranks, the lights stay bright, and you forget about it. But Japanese mechanics flagged this battery early in testing for one clear reason: its basic plate construction. It uses entry-level flooded lead-acid plates with low-grade active material. Under the repeated charge-discharge cycles that happen every single day in modern commuter driving, especially with all the always-on electronics, these plates begin to sulfate quickly. Sulfation is the #1 cause of premature battery death, and this battery has almost no defense against it. Real-world failure windows of just 12 to 24 months are widely documented by mechanics and online forums. The convenient return policy at Walmart makes the problem easy to ignore. You simply swap it out and move on, never realizing you're stuck in a constant replacement cycle. One important distinction: the Everstart Platinum AGM is a genuinely much better product. The value line exists in a completely different universe of quality. And most shoppers never realize they grabbed the wrong one off the shelf. And the next battery mechanics tested carries a much higher price tag, but the results were barely any better. Battery number 8, Exide Standard. This is one of those brands people trust by default. You'll frequently hear, just get an Exide at the parts counter. But that advice is dangerously vague because Exide produces very different batteries under the same familiar name. The entry-level standard line is the version mechanics see failing most often. These are basic flooded batteries that typically end up in cars during emergency replacements when the vehicle won't start and you take whatever is immediately available. The core problem is that today's vehicles draw power even when the engine is completely off. Infotainment screens, sensors, security modules, keyless entry systems, and multiple control units create constant parasitic drain. A basic Exide simply wasn't designed to handle that kind of continuous load. During testing, mechanics observed a clear pattern. Performance stayed acceptable for roughly the first year. Then it became unpredictable. Some mornings the engine would crank strongly, while other mornings it turned over slowly with no obvious reason. That inconsistency is a classic early warning sign of plate deterioration happening inside the case. Exide does make stronger, higher-tier products, but the standard line is built for convenience and quick sales, not long-term reliability. The next one might be the most surprising entry on this entire list, because the name once stood for something very different. Battery number 7, Optima Red Top. This result caught the Japanese mechanics completely off guard. Optima was once the undisputed gold standard for AGM batteries. Built in Colorado with 99.99% pure lead, on-site PhD electrochemists, and a dedicated prototype chemistry lab. The old versions earned legendary status. Mechanics staked their reputations on them, and pre-acquisition Optima batteries routinely delivered 8 to 10 years of reliable service. That reputation was real and well-earned. Then Johnson Controls acquired the brand. Older Optima batteries built the brand's reputation. Many mechanics still remember those lasting close to a decade. But newer versions don't seem to hold up the same way. Across forums and real-world use, a consistent pattern shows up: shorter lifespan and more early replacements than the name would suggest. Post-acquisition red tops have seen documented lifespan drops to just 2 to 3 years in many real-world cases. Professional mechanic forums are filled with nearly identical stories of early failures from recent production runs. Mechanics measured noticeably weaker reserve capacity and faster voltage drop under sustained loads compared to what the Optima name once delivered. Drivers are still paying a premium price because the old reputation continues to outsell the current reality. 3 batteries are now off the table. Now let's talk about where your money should actually go. Battery number 6, EverStart Max. After seeing the value line at the bottom, this result is important because it proves the issue was never the brand itself, it was the specific tier. EverStart Max is the mid to upper range option available on the same Walmart shelf. The difference in construction is significant. Higher cold cranking amp ratings, typically 700 to 850 depending on group size. Stronger plate construction that resists sulfation much better under daily cycling. And a 3-year replacement warranty that shows the manufacturer actually stands behind it. In testing, the Max maintained charge stability noticeably longer than budget options after repeated starts. It also recovered faster after deep discharges, the kind that happens when headlights are left on or the car sits for several days. Multiple long-term drivers report getting 5 to 8 years of reliable service from this battery. At its price point, this is an exceptionally strong return on investment. Next up is a battery built to a completely different standard, one designed inside the factory that actually builds the car. Battery number 5, AC Delco Professional AGM. This one requires a clear distinction up front because choosing the wrong line will cost you money and frustration. AC Delco makes a standard line that performs poorly and belongs in a much lower conversation. The AC Delco Professional AGM is an entirely different product. It serves as GM's official OEM-grade battery, engineered to the exact electrical specifications of the vehicles it ships with: Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac. Modern GM vehicles are packed with advanced driver assistance systems, heated seats, large navigation screens, surround view cameras, and multiple always-on control modules. A battery not matched to that exact load profile will underperform and fail prematurely. During testing, this battery delivered exceptionally stable voltage output under high accessory loads, exactly where cheaper batteries begin to sag. It also maintained consistent cranking performance across wide temperature extremes without the random drop-off seen in lower-ranked options. The next battery carries serious respect in a part of the automotive world most American drivers rarely think about. Battery number 4, Bosch S6 AGM. Bosch is a heavyweight in European automotive engineering, and the S6 AGM earns every bit of that reputation. But there is a common trap that catches thousands of buyers every year. The Bosch S3 sits on the same shelf with the same brand name, but is a significantly inferior product. Do not mix them up. The S6 AGM is the battery that European OEMs actually specify as the standard replacement for BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and Volkswagen. Cars with some of the most demanding electrical architectures on the road. It features calcium silver alloy grid construction, full AGM sealing, and thermal management specifically designed for the aggressive charge-discharge cycling created by European start-stop systems. In testing, mechanics confirmed consistent 5+ year lifespans under normal operating conditions. The S3, by contrast, has been shown to lose cranking performance noticeably after just one winter in colder climates. Coming up is the one that mechanics frequently reach for when they're spending their own money. Before we get into the top 3, I'm curious, what battery are you running in your car right now? Drop it in the comments below. See if it's in the top 3. Battery number 3, Interstate MTX AGM. Interstate has been in the battery business since 1952 and has never needed a flashy rebrand or reputation rescue. Mechanics trust it, fleet operators spec it, and unlike house brands that rely on shelf position, Interstate has earned its place through decades of installer loyalty. The technical numbers back this up. AGM models retain over 650 cold cranking amps even at 18 months, compared to around $550 for many budget brands at the same age. In extreme Arctic testing at -22 degrees Fahrenheit, the Climate Guard versions still delivered 310 cold cranking amps versus 280 for competing batteries. What sets Interstate apart is their Cool Cube technology. Heat-resistant separators placed between the plates that significantly reduce warping and degradation under thermal stress. Testing showed 85% capacity retention after 1,000 cycles at 100 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to just 63% for standard batteries. The next battery is where the engineering philosophy completely shifts from simply lasting years to lasting decades. Battery number 2, Die-Hard Platinum AGM. If you remember what we said about Optima earlier, a once great name that no longer matches the current product, Die-Hard tells the opposite story. A brand that went through a difficult period and emerged with a genuinely superior battery. The Platinum AGM is the version that finally lives up to the legendary Die-Hard name. The open secret in the mechanic community is that it's built on Odyssey's advanced platform and rebranded for easy retail access through Advanced Auto Parts. This means you get military-grade, thin-plate, pure lead AGM construction, the same technology used in fleet vehicles and military equipment, at a realistic consumer price. Cold cranking amps range from 585 to 900 depending on group size, with reserve capacity up to 160 minutes and a strong 4-year replacement warranty. During testing, mechanics saw this battery handle deep discharges and recovery cycles better than almost anything else in the test. Many drivers report leaving parking lights or interior lights on for 6 or more hours, and still getting a clean cold start the next morning. Buyer rule. Die-Hard Platinum AGM delivers true OEM-grade engineering with a consumer-friendly price tag and a 4-year warranty that most competitors cannot match. And the battery that finished at number 1, it didn't just win the comparison. It operates in a completely different category from everything else on this list. Battery number 1, Odyssey Extreme Series. Every other battery on this list operates within the conventional lead acid or standard AGM paradigm. Odyssey plays an entirely different game. The Extreme Series uses thin plate pure lead AGM construction, known as TPPL technology. By making the plates thinner and packing them more densely with higher purity lead, Odyssey achieves much greater plate surface area. This delivers higher power density, significantly faster recharge rates, and the ability to recover from deep discharges without suffering the permanent sulfation damage that kills conventional batteries. The numbers tell a compelling story. Verified, real-world service lives of 8 to 12 plus years are common. Cold cranking amps range from 850 to 900 on flagship models with reserve capacity between 140 and 155 minutes. This battery is trusted by military contractors, OEM suppliers, and fleet operators who simply cannot afford unexpected failures. In the Japanese mechanics testing, the Odyssey Extreme maintains strong cranking performance and rock-solid voltage stability longer than any other battery. Even after repeated deep discharge cycles that permanently damaged lower-ranked batteries, it recovered to full capacity with almost no measurable degradation. Buyer rule. Odyssey Extreme Series is not just another battery. It is a 10-year infrastructure decision. Often the last battery conversation you'll ever have about this particular vehicle. Note, Die-Hard Platinum AGM, which finished second, is a factory rebranded version of the same Odyssey technology. You can access nearly identical performance at a lower price point through Advanced Auto Parts. So what are the real takeaways from this comparison? First, the cheapest battery on the shelf is almost never the cheapest battery you'll buy in the long run. Replace it twice in 3 years and you have already spent more than a single quality AGM would have cost up front. Not to mention the frustration and potential towing costs. Second, the brand name on the label is not the full spec sheet. Everstart makes both one of the weakest and one of the strongest batteries in this test. Bosch makes both a solid performer and a battery that drops off after one winter. Always check the exact product line and construction details. Third, you must match the battery to the vehicle and your driving habits. If your car has start-stop technology or heavy electrical demands, you need a proper AGM battery. A basic flooded battery in that application is a failure waiting to happen. European cars, modern trucks, and vehicles you plan to keep long-term especially benefit from stepping up to premium options. Smart drivers stop chasing the lowest price on the shelf. Instead, they invest in the battery they won't have to think about again for the next decade.